Okay, hi. My name is Yeabsira. So I um, so I made sure the code was running properly by editing and checking all of the moving functions to display properly, and as well for the layouts. The class game represents the body of our program. It stores information and about the snake and the board. Now the snake class, which contains the body and the head, the challenge was using linked list to store the body because we can add a cell. Grow method will be called when it eats the food. Other methods are self-explanatory. The board class represents the display. It's the matrix of cells. It has a method, generate food, which generates the food at the positions. I learned the main class game, which keeps the instance of snake and board. Its method update needs to be um, called at a fixed interval with the help of user input.
Yeah. So move on to the snack class. So my name is Johnny. My name is Thien Tran, but I go by Johnny. So in this snack class, we have the array list so that we could create the snack and to adding the point of the snack when it eats the apples. And um, so first of all, we set the we initiate the x direction and the y direction equal to 0 so that to make the snack have no reductions. So yeah, to use the yeah, and we have the for loop to create the snack because our size of the snack is equal to 4, so we multiply it by 4, and we have the draw method to draw the snack out into the applet, and then move on to the move method. We initiate the is moving. So the is moving at this point, the is moving have the functions to check whether the snack is moving or not, because we're setting if we hit the arrows, the snack will move at first to start the game. And the elongate functions to is for adding the snack longer in when it's the apples. And then scrolling down, we have the snack collisions to make the snack collisions to check whether the snack is hitting itself so that we are loose. And then we getting the setters and the getters for the snack. Yeah. And move to the point class. So we having to have the point class so that we can do easy for the setting X and Y of the snack to make the others movement methods. So in this class, we have a constructor of the points, the setters and the getters. And overall, in doing this project, I learned that how to initiate the constants, like setting the size and initiate the variables so that we can make change easier for that. Yeah.
What was your struggles, Johnny?
My struggles is that when I'm doing the movement, the snake first of it wasn't move at first, but then we figured out it was something our misunderstanding in we have to click on the applet first so that we can use the keyboard thing. Yeah.
All right. So my name is Abid. I worked on the token class, which this is what the snake eats. Um, so I have the, the token class, which sets the X and Y, the scores, and the private snake. And then I have the public class token, which randomly places the token at the changes position. Uh, also does that. And then I have the get score, which when you lose, it shows you the score, however many snake food you eat. And then I have the drum method, which draws the food, and I have the size of it, and I have the snake collision. When the snake hits the food, uh, it you get a score, and then the fruit changes its position to somewhere else. I'll show you a demonstration. So here we, here we have a snake and the fruit. And the point of this game is to eat as much as fruits without touching yourself or hitting a wall. So whenever you eat a snake fruit, the snake elongates, and whenever you hit yourself, you lose. And it does the same thing whenever you hit the wall. And that's all our program, and I hope you guys like it.
Yeah.